Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this very beautiful glam makeup look. So without any further ado, let's begin the video. I have already prepared my skin. I'm going to take up this shade from the eyeshadow palette and make my eyebrows. By the way, this eyeshadow palette is from Hilary Rhoda. Using this Kiss Beauty concealing palette, I am going to conceal my eyelid. And then I am blending my concealer with the help of my fingers. To set my concealer, I am going to apply a compact powder. Now I am applying a sellotape on the outer V of my eyelid. I am going to take up this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyelid, and then I will be taking it towards the inner corners. After that, I have picked up this grey shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am blending it towards my outer V to give depth to my eyes. Now I am applying concealer towards half of my eyelid up to my crease line. Now I am blending the edges of concealer with the help of my fingers to get more softened look. I am taking up this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am applying it on the top of my concealer. After that, I am taking up this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am applying it on the top of my eyelid. Now I am going to draw a liner, and drawing a liner is way more easier here because I have already applied a sellotape. Now I am removing the sellotape and you can see how clean my eye makeup is looking. Using this glitter palette, I am taking up this glitters and I am applying it on the top of my eyelid. For base makeup, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I am applying it all over my face with the help of a kabuki brush. I am taking up this highlighting shade from the concealer and I am applying it on the highest points of my face, like on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, on my forehead and on my chin. With the help of same kabuki brush, I am blending my concealer. I am applying this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder on the top of my concealer. Now I am taking up this shade from the eyeshadow palette and I am applying it closer towards my lower lash line. I am using this Kiss Beauty mascara to finish up my eye makeup. I am applying a kajal on my waterline and this kajal is from Himalaya. Now I am smudging my kajal very little bit to get that smoky effect. I am using this iTex Dazzler Classic Compact Powder as a contour. It is a compact powder but I am using it as a contour because it is very deeper than my skin tone. I am using this blush palette from Hilary Rhoda and I am applying it on the apples of my cheeks. And also little bit on my chin and on my nose. I am using this highlighter from Ronzal Cosmetics and I am applying it on the highest points of my face, like on the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin and on my cheeks. I forgot to contour my nose, so here I'm contouring my nose using the same contour. And now this is the last step of my makeup. I'm finishing up my makeup by using this red lipstick, and I'm applying the lipstick with the help of a brush. I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. And yeah, my makeup is done, and I'm fixing my makeup with the help of a makeup setting spray. And this is my final finished look. I hope you guys like the look, and if you do like the look and like the video, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.